Welcome! Today, we're going to show you how to transform your benchtop with SpreadStone, a simple, do-it-yourself way to get a natural stone look without the hassle. This project takes a weekend to complete, plus 7 days to fully cure. Make sure your workspace is warm enough for proper drying, at least 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Step 1. Surface preparation. Start by cleaning your surface thoroughly. Remove any grease, dirt, or dust. Then, sand well using a small circular motion until it feels rough. Sanding in a circular motion ensures a more even surface and long-lasting adhesion. If you're using an orbital sander for this project, avoid sanding all the way to the edge, as this can taper your edge. Hand sand these parts for precise control. Wipe the surface clean. Then use painter's tape around edges, keeping it 2 mm back from the sink edge. This allows the coating to extend slightly over the edge, providing better water protection. Step 2. Apply the base coat. Before you apply the base coat, be sure to stir it gently. As with all cans in this kit, avoid shaking, as this can introduce air bubbles that will affect your finish. Once this is done, use a brush for edges and a roller for the main surface. Apply an even coat and let it dry for at least 1 hour before applying the second coat. Step 3. Apply the stone coat. Once that has had an hour or two to dry, it's time to apply your stone coat. Stir the stone coat thoroughly, top to bottom. Brush edges first, then use the roller to apply the stone coat in a crisscross pattern to achieve an even distribution. The stone particles naturally settle at the bottom of the tray. Always roll deep into the bottom to pick up a good mix and maintain an even stone texture across your surface. After this has had 24 hours to dry, apply a second coat and let it cure for 24 hours. It's important that it fully cures before applying the clear coat, so we don't trap any moisture in. Step 4. Sand the stone coat. Once fully dry, sand the surface gently using fine sandpaper to achieve a finish that feels even and consistent. Vacuum and wipe thoroughly to remove any dust before moving on. Step 5. Apply the clear coat. Before you begin applying the clear coat, replace the painter's tape around the sink. Carefully score and remove the painter's tape used during the stone coat application. Running a sharp utility knife along the edge of the tape will break the coating cleanly and avoid lifting the finish. Apply fresh painter's tape, overlapping 5 mm onto the sink or surrounding surface. This helps the clear coat seal over the edge and prevent water from getting underneath. Stir the clear coat gently. Use a brush for edges and a roller for an even coat. Let it dry for 4 hours, then add a second coat. As the clear coat settles, it will even out and fill any voids. Step 6. Final touches. Once dry, carefully score and remove the painter's tape, making sure you don't lift the finish. Your benchtop will continue to harden over the first 7 days. After 24 hours, it can be used lightly. Avoid dragging or placing heavy items during this period to prevent damage. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your benchtop into a durable, real stone showpiece. For more DIY tips and products, visit renovationrescue.shop.